All right, so what I'm going to show you how to do is how to download the pages from your Number Corner so that you can upload individual pages and assign them either to your Seesaw or Google Classroom account. The first thing you're going to do is go into your curriculum materials. I'm going to use kindergarten just as an example. Find your Number Corner materials. Make sure you're under the materials tab and not the display materials. Display materials are great when you are doing your own screencast and you're doing a lesson, but for this purpose, you're going to make sure you're under materials. Open up Number Corner, scroll down and find your student book. Make sure you hit download. So when you click download, you're going to get the entire document. You're then going to want to make note of what specific pages you're looking for, and just kind of scan through. I would recommend doing a bulk of these at a time. And remember that the page numbers that are in the student book do not necessarily correlate with the PDF pages. So you're going to want to know specifically which pages you're working with. So page 2, if I want to assign this to students, is not going to be page 2 as I'm going to actually download this. So I'm wanting page 2. But I'm going to have to figure out in my mind that's probably about page 7. But what you're going to want to do is actually print this. So go to print. We're not going to be printing it, but that's what we're going to want to do to save this. And then you're going to click on the specific page. Now you actually have to save each one individually if you want to upload them individually for students, and that's what I would recommend. So you'd customize it and choose page, we knew it was about page 2, but that's probably page 7. Nope, that's page 3. So I'm going to adjust that and make it page 6. That is the document that I'm looking at. That's the one that I want. And then up at the destination, typically the OASD copier queue is what pops up, but you're going to want to change it to say save as a PDF, or you can save it to your Google Drive. It's your choice where you want to retrieve it from. And for both, um, um, Seesaw or Google Classroom, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to save it as a PDF. Actually, I'm going to save it as a Google Drive. And then I'm going to hit save. You're then going to want to go back into your Google Drive and locate that. So as I go into my drive, and I'll see it right here, it actually is still saved as a PDF. And then I'm going to want to move it where I did find that was in my recents, and you'll see it there. And then you're going to want to move it to um, some kind of shortcut location. I would probably call my folder Number Corner downloads, create the folder, and then move it here. So when you go in later, you'll be able to find all those individual documents. You may also want to rename that, and I would maybe call it page 2, if that's what I was working with, so that I can easily find it later. So that's how you save an individual page for you to retrieve later.